Now today's lesson is on integers. So what are integers? They include positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and zero. And the set of all integers is often shown like this. So we have 0 here, we have the positive whole numbers, so not the fractions in between, just the whole numbers, and the negative whole numbers. And the three dots at each end show that they go infinitely in either direction. So the dots at each end of the set mean that you keep counting in either direction. The set can also be shown on the number line. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. So it's just the whole numbers, and the arrows on each end of the number line mean that you keep counting in either direction. So some examples of integers in real life. One would be the thermometer. So you've got a thermometer, and at some point it is 0 degrees, and anything that's just freezing, anything below freezing, we have negative 1 degree, negative 2 degrees, and so on. And anything above freezing, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and so forth. You may have a tall building which goes underground. It has two basements, let's say. Here's our ground level at 0, and we may go down in the lift to one floor and then down in the lift again to another floor underground. Anything above ground, first floor, second floor, third floor. Okay, you might have some money in the bank, and you might have $10 in the bank. You're not very rich, and you take $5 out, and so you have $5. You take another $5 out and you're at nothing, and the bank's very kind and gives you an overdraft, and you take another $5 out and you're at negative 5, so you owe the bank $5. And if you took another $5 out, you would owe the bank $10, and they are the negative integers. Now, how do you add, subtract, multiply and divide integers on the calculator? Now, once again, you're lucky because the calculator is programmed to understand Beamer. But as with our last lesson, if you must insert the brackets carefully if they're missing, so that you get the correct answer. First question, if you put in 15 take away 7 times 3, the calculator, and you try these, see what you get, and you should get negative 6. The calculator will do the Beamer for you. It will multiply the 7 times the 3 first, and notice you can get negative answers. Let's try this one. 6 times negative 4 plus 7. Key it in as you see it. So go 6 times, now the negative, you've got a key on your calculator like that. That turns positive numbers into negative numbers. So use that to key in your negative numbers. Negative 4 plus 7. So quite easy, and you should get negative 17. Have a go. Let's try another one. 2 times negative 3 times negative 4. Okay, just key it in as 2 times, use that minus sign, times, use the minus sign again, and have a go at that. And you should get 24. Let's do one more. Negative 28 divided by negative 2 squared. Notice when you square a negative number, it always has a bracket around it. Key it in, minus 20, use your negative sign, 28, divided by bracket, negative 2 bracket, and then you've got an x squared button you can use. And you should get -7. Very good.